Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. Students with learning disabilities, really anybody with a learning disability, can benefit from the Kurzweil 3000 series of products. Brian Norton, the manager of our Clinical Assistive Technology program, is going to show you some cool new stuff happening with Kurzweil.
Hi, I'm glad to be here today. Today we're going to take a look at Kurzweil 3000. Kurzweil 3000 is a document scan and read system for persons who have difficulty with reading comprehension, print disabilities, things like that. So what we have here is I brought up a sample document in the Kurzweil 3000 window. It's a software program, and you can use an external scanner to be able to scan materials into Kurzweil, or just simply load them if you've already got an electronic file, perhaps a text document, a PDF document. You can actually just open those up and Kurzweil will do its own internal scan of those documents and bring them up for you. Once you have the document up in the application, you have 4 color-coded toolbars, and these 4 color-coded toolbars do some interesting things for you. The first thing is if I go ahead and put my cursor down here and put my cursor within the document, I can press the read button.
Within a few months after the armistice ended the First World War, over 3 million Americans were discharged from the armed forces.
It'll go ahead and start reading that document for you. Now what's interesting about how it reads it is it does highlighting for you, which helps the user follow along as it reads, indicating each word that's being read and helps them identify what that word is. You have lots of options, and we won't be able to go into all of them today, but just to pick up on a few interesting things in here, it comes with a full dictionary and thesaurus for you. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my cursor on, let's say, workers, and then I'm going to go up here to the definition, and I'm going to click on that. And it goes ahead and brings up the definition. Now what's nice about this application is these definitions are also able to be read to the user.
Worker, noun, 1. One who works at a particular occupation or activity. An office worker. B. One who does manual or industrial labor.
And this has a layered effect. So if you come across the word in the particular definition that you don't understand or know what it means, you can actually just highlight that.
Industrial.
And do the same thing. And again, read
Industrial, adjective, 1. Of, relating to, or resulting from industry.
Okay, so it's got a kind of a layered effect. I'll go ahead and exit out of the thesaurus and then out of the dictionary. Puts me back into my document. The other thing you have is on the green toolbar, you have lots of different study tools. I've got lots of different highlighters, footnotes, sticky notes, text notes. I can even include voice notes or hyperlinks to maybe a website with additional information, include bookmarks. These are very, very useful for persons who have difficulty remembering things. Helps put together a study guide for them as they study for different things like tests or research papers and those types of things. The next toolbar is the yellow toolbar that's kind of stuck in between the red and the green. I don't know if you guys can see the colors on the side here. But this is also your voice. You can slow down the voice, speed it up, change it from a male voice to a female voice, change your highlighting options, and do lots more. Kurzweil 3000 is a great application. It runs about $14.99. It's a fairly expensive application, but does quite a bit for you. There are other scan and read systems out there. I think if you look on our website, through our tech tip videos, you'll find a program called Win. Win also is a scan and read program. It does similar things to what Kurzweil 3000 does. There are other programs as well that are even less costly. Scan and Read Pro is available for about $199. Also does very similar things, maybe not as robust of functionality as what you might find with Kurzweil 3000, but does a fairly good job as well.
That's a cool way to have your media in different kinds of formats to make learning a little bit easier. And that's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.